In a small local shop, skilled craftsmen bring footballs to life through an incredible handmade process. It all starts with high-quality synthetic leather sheets, carefully cut into hexagon and pentagon panels. Each piece is measured with precision to ensure the perfect shape. The panels are then printed with logos or designs before being stitched together, mostly by hand using thick nylon threads. The inside of the ball is fitted with a rubber bladder that gives it shape and bounce. After stitching, the football is turned inside out, inflated, and tested for air pressure and balance. Finally, every ball is polished, packed, and ready for players around the world. It's amazing how much skill and patience goes into making something that brings millions of people joy every day.